Kigali, the capital of one of the fastest growing economies in Africa, Rwanda. In this video, we explore Kigali-Rwanda, also known as the land of 1,000 hills. But if you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone for them to get to know more about the African continent. Kigali is located right in the heart of Rwanda, or you can say it's found in the middle of the country. The city was administratively founded in 1907. This was during the colonial rule of the Belgians to Rwanda. By then, Kigali was just a small trading area where many people came to conduct trade and basically do other types of business. It was between this period of 1907 to 1962 when Rwanda fully got her independence that Kigali later became recognized as the capital city of the country Rwanda. The city is located along the Ruganwa River, and I must say the other major features that make up this city are the many hills and valleys that Kigali comprises of. The central business district is found on Nyarugenge Hill, whereas the government and other administrative quarters are found on the Kacyiru Hill. If you're new to Kigali and Rwanda as a country, you must know that driving in Rwanda, you must keep right. So this is one of those things that you should look out for as a motorist. Population. Kigali comprises of 1.1 million people, and these include different groups of people, which are the Hutus, the Tutsis, and then the Batwa people. So these are the indigenous groups of people in Rwanda, but there are other groups of people that live in Kigali, like Ugandans, there are Burundians, there are Congolese, and many other groups of people that have settled in Kigali. The main language spoken in Rwanda is the Rwandese language, and this can be understood by all these groups that I've just mentioned. This is also the national language of the country, but there are other languages spoken in Rwanda, like the English language, which is considered as the official language. Then there's French, which is also official. Swahili, this is also the official language in Rwanda. So all these languages will help you communicate better while in Kigali. The food. Kigali has so many delicacies, and among the staples in Kigali, we have foods like sombe. These are cassava leaves that are pounded to form a type of sauce, and it is one of those delicacies that they love having in Kigali. There are other foods like sweet potatoes, there's Irish potatoes. This is also widely eaten in the entire country. Then there are other foods like cassava, there's corn, there are yams, beans, and millet. So these will all serve you with a very tasty meal in the capital Kigali. Transport. If you're to move from one point to another point of Kigali, there are so many options for you to move. You could either use the non-motorized roads that were specifically created for people to either walk or cycle on them. So this is one of those great things about this great city of Rwanda. But you could also opt for other ways, like hiring a motorcycle to take you around the city, or else you could hire a private driver to take you around the city to basically get that good experience of the city Kigali. Then there are other options like, let's say, jumping onto a minibus These usually carry 14 passengers, so this could also take you from one point to another point of the city Kigali. And then if you're to tour the city, there are quite a number of places that you could visit as someone new to Kigali city. Among these, there's the Genocide Memorial Center, or you could check out the Kigali Conventional Center, or the Kimironko Market. This is the biggest flea market in the country and Kigali as a city. So definitely these are some of the places that you could possibly visit when you're in Kigali. Well, that's Kigali city for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. In case you did, please do leave a comment. Let us know where you're watching this video from. Also like the video, subscribe, and share this video with someone so that they get to discover Kigali-Rwanda. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch more African content here on the card.